been here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no
You ready?
Yes, my darling, I'm ready. Are we on?
Yep.
Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a model, I'm an actress, I'm a mother, I'm a wife. I am a motivational speaker, fashionista, but above all else, I am a makeup addict. May I never find a cure for my addictions. Today's episode is September favorites. What I loved in September, what I'm addicted to in September in relation to makeup. I'm sure in the background you can see like a one balloon. It was Adrian's birthday, yes, October 7th, my darlings. So we had a little birthday party, babaloops, and I will put a little montage of the wonderful and amazing year that we have had together. All mothers out there, I love you, I support you, I respect you. It is hard, it takes a village, it takes a team, and I am just so grateful for everything and for the love and the laughter and the sleepless nights looking after our wonderful son. Okay, moving forward. September favorite snatched my edges. It snatched my edges, and I don't have that much. One thing I am about my hair, I hate to be bald. That's just not going to work for me, because you know what, my body's my business and so is my hair. So I try to make sure that I don't wear that many wigs, I don't do many weaves, I don't pull on the edges, but the makeup pulled my edges first off. My God. Juvia's Place came out with foundation sticks. They also came out with this beautiful bag. I'm going to put a link down below of the review I did with my girlfriend Ebony, who introduced me to Juvia's Place. Anywho, I am so grateful because they sent me PR, and that's beside the point. These foundation sticks are the bomb.com. If you are one of those that feels that you're on the go, you want hydration, you just want that beautiful, creamy, fluffy souffle finish. I cannot explain it. I don't know how they got this formula for these foundation sticks. Beautiful. I wore a foundation earlier on. I had to come and top it off with the foundation sticks. The mere fact that it is a stick, that you can apply it stripped down on the side, buff it with your beauty blender and go, is a dream come true. I love these. I am addicted to these foundation sticks. I'll tell you right now, Benin, which I love, Congo for the contour, which I don't remember a life before Congo. And then the other one is Tunisia, and that's for the complexion of my skin. So I use those three. I use Tunisia first, then I use Benin underneath the eye, and then I use Congo to contour. I'm addicted to them. This is my go-to. When I tell you that I'm gifting you a 10% discount on these, it's no joke. Fumi is being a friend. Fumi is being a sister to a sister. You need these in your life. Above everything else that I'm going to show you in this episode, these you need. Juvia's Place, I wish I was a fly on the wall in your creative department. I really wish. You know I would have stolen one or two of your formulas. I don't deny it. Gorgeous. Okay, so that was that. Packaging was great too, but the product, my God. Alrighty, let us move on. Fenty Beauty Brow MPV. Fantastic. I was impressed. I'll tell you how it all went down. I was on my own, this is a good thing, and I went into Sephora, which is also a good thing. With Ula's credit card, I mean, hello Christmas. And then you know the sales girls, they're something else. They can sell you sand on the beach. So they came to me and said, oh, for me, come and try Fenty. And I was like, no, I got my peeps. And they were like, oh no, that they've come out with a brow collection, blah, blah, blah. So okay, fine, let me try it. Now let me explain something to you. First and foremost, they have a little brush at the edge to switch, and it's a tiny brush. Usually I don't know whether I have it here. I have the spoolie, and the spoolie is also good, you know. if you have that skill, like I was saying. So you have the spoolie here, that is good, and if you're skilled, you can kind of graze your brows upwards without removing the product. This is super cute because you can go into angles, but this was not my first love. It was the other side, and right here, look at it, very thin. I have off black, and you can just do little wisps like so. Perfect for the beginning of your brow, just as I'm demonstrating here. I'm addicted. I love this. So Fenty Beauty, fantastico. I am in love with you, yuppie doos. So that was my second addiction. Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty came out with lifeliners. Let me just double check the name. Yes, lifeliner, very Vanta Extreme Black. Again, they're doing the double sides. So you have the liquid liner right here, which I love, and it is matte. But what I'm addicted to right here is the crayon in the back. And that's exactly what it is. It's a crayon. It's very soft. It's very blendable. No breakage in the pencil. And it gives me that pitch midnight look. Hence why I'm doing this kind of Saharan Middle Eastern liner, because I can really tweak right to the quick of my eye, right in the tear duct, and give that sleek look. I'm impressed. I am impressed. When I see stuff like this, I'm like, I don't know whether it's dark girl friendly, because we need to go really black for it to pop off. And it popped off. And I am addicted, and I am loving the look. That's Huda. Huda also came out with a whole bunch. Hey, Paduski, are you okay? What is it, darling? Sometimes he's like this. It's just television. You know what? Sometimes, like in the beginning, he didn't like penguins, Ula. Penguins scared him. Then after penguins, it was alligators, dinosaurs. I can understand the dinosaurs and alligators. As he grows older, there are certain animals he doesn't feel for. So we have to keep on flipping the channel back and forth. You know, he's one. Can you believe it? Alrighty, so where was I? Last night, matte lipstick, Huda Beauty. It is what I am wearing. I tell you this, I don't care for lipsticks because it's very drying on my luscious lips. This is so moisturizing. It's so hydrating. It gives me that lovely neutral. For you guys that go to do your 9 to 5, this works. This works. This is everything. It's a nice neutral. It's not loud at all, and it's very hydrating. It's very smooth, very soft, glides on. So Huda Beauty came out with the liner, life liner, love this, and the lipstick. They had the first batch, and I didn't like the shades. They didn't work for me. They were a little bit too blue, too greenish, you know, underbase. But this is nice. So these are my addictions from September that I cannot live without. Guys, check them out in Sephora. Go and try them out, the different shades, especially for the lipstick. The color I love, but it's the formula that got me. It just strapped me down. I wasn't prepared to pay any more from Ula's coin. But when I saw this, I said, you know what, for me, you can lie through your teeth with this lipstick on and tell him that it was a must-have. It is a must-have. Okie dokie. ColourPop. ColourPop came out with X's and O's. First and foremost, I tell you, X's and O's, like, oh my God, love. And I am friends with some of my exes, the civilized ones, where we could move forward and be friends. Some of them even know Ula and they're friends with Ula, and everybody has moved on. Some of Ula's exes, I'm like, I'm like, Heifer, I don't like you still. But I'm working on it. I'm like, Fumi, you know what? Don't worry. You're married to the man now. You have his child. Don't worry about it. No, it still bothers me. I'm like, you dated her? Why? X's and O's. Beautiful burgundy, beautiful rich, beautiful fall, beautiful autumn. I love ColourPop, just like Juvia's. The price point is beyond. This palette is as pigmented as anything. It is what I am wearing. A lot of you asked me in a couple of other episodes, Fumi, what palette were you wearing? ColourPop X's and O's. This shade right here called Reckless is a beautiful burgundy. You know I love red. You know I'm addicted to red. Transitioning into autumn and to winter, this is a beautiful burgundy, and I tell you right here, you can pop that red in the inner tear duct, blend, 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 transition, transition, and have the burgundy on the outer V. When I tell you it is life, it is life. Sold out, came back. I was like, child, before I leave this country, you better have it. So I bought this for myself. I bought it also for a friend. It is gorgeous. ColourPop, loving. Having said that, also ColourPop came out with Hype Girl, BFF, and they have beautiful creamy eyeliner sticks, 4 of them, that I love, and I've used them in a couple of tutorials just to really finish off the look. And you have Kicker, you have Delta, you have Teaspoon, you have Piggy Bank. When I tell you, I think Teaspoon and Piggy Bank, the blue and the kind of like what would I call it, like a purpley pink, life, creamy, deep, pigmented. It pops off my deep complexions. I'll put pictures up for you guys. Let me do a little swatcher loops. Maybe you guys will want to see. I just don't want to waste product. Okay, so right here, look at Teaspoon. Yeah, alrighty, and then let me do Piggy Bank right here. There we go. Look at Piggy Bank. Really nice, really nice. And then we have Kicker right here. That's Adrian dropping his toy. Paduski, you want to say hi? And then we have DLTA, and that's a lovely silver, and you can pop that off in the tear duct. I just love these. I wish and I hope that ColourPop will come out with more colors in this format. Very creamy, very soft. As you've noticed in everything that I've described, creamy, soft, hydrating, because it's your face. You don't want anything that tugs at your face. It's drying and it ages you, and it never comes off the way that you think it will, because it's always lacking pigmentation. So those are my favorites, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit, and I will be back sooner than you know. All of my love, darlings. Ulan, Adrian. Bye. Bye-bye, darlings. Mwah.